No. Well, I guess I should have got some better drill bits, huh? So if you do any kind of custom fabrication or make custom vehicles, do custom work on factory vehicles, then one tool that can come in handy is a nut rivet gun. Because a nut rivet gun allows you to make parts bolt on that you might otherwise have to weld or just regular rivet on, and then you can't take it on and off. So if you're doing parts that you want to be able to remove for access quick and easy, then a nut rivet gun is right up your alley. But being as I work on a pretty tight budget here, I went to good old Harvey Freight and got me one of their nut rivet guns. This is a Doyle rivet gun, and so I'm going to do a quick little review here of this guy and see if it's worth it, or should you spend the money on a more expensive brand. So as you can see, this Doyle nut rivet gun comes in a nice little carrying case. Open her up here. Of course, you got some quick little instructions. We don't need those. I'm throw them away. It comes with several different nut rivets, which are already open because I've been working on these. It comes with some M8s, some 1/4 inch by 20s, some, what are these, M5s, just various different sizes. It comes with the different ends here that you can swap out your tips on your nut rivet tool. And then it has the actual tool itself. So I've been working here on the R-Max, adding a second battery tray here so I can run a second battery for some auxiliary lighting and such. And you can see I've already done one nut rivet as a practice here because I wanted to make sure I knew how the tool worked before I made a video of it. As you can see, that guy is already in place. So I've been using these bigger M8 nut rivets because I don't want my battery tray to go anywhere when I'm off-road, bouncing around, hitting some big jumps. So we need a 17 32nd drill bit for these size nut rivets, which I didn't have, but I did have a 7/16. It's close enough. I used it for this one I already put in, and it held nice and tight. It's not wanting to pull up. So basically you get lined up where you want your nut rivet, you drill your hole, and then this guy couldn't be simpler to use. Basically just pull your handles apart here, use your body if you have to, screw on your nut rivet onto the end, and then basically we're just going to stick it into the hole then and squeeze the handles. And what that does is you squeeze the handles, it pulls back on this threaded rod in here, which then flares out the end of your nut rivet, thus giving you superior holding power that you can quickly bolt on and off for whatever you're fabricating. So, like I said, we're gonna stick her in the hole, give this a quick squeeze. It takes a little bit of muscle, and I don't have very good, I can't get in here, like so. And then you just turn it off. And there you go. Simple and easy as that. And then you're good for bolting on your accessory. Just like that. No. Well, I guess I should have got some better drill bits, huh? Man, I don't know if I can clean that up in here or not. Probably not. Ah, that worked. Put her in reverse. Beautiful. Just like that, I have most of a battery tray. So overall, I think this Doyle nut rivet gun works very well. Yeah, it could stand for the handles to be a little longer for better leverage, but the nice thing about it being shorter like this is it's compact, it's easy to get in a smaller machine, especially if you're working on small machines like side-by-sides and not big like rock bouncers and stuff, where you don't have the room to get bigger levers. This is a good size, it just takes a little more muscle. I bought this a couple days ago, so I can't remember the price right offhand. I'll put that on the screen right here, as well as a link to this from Harbor Freight in my description below. I'd say for the money, it's definitely worth it. And as far as nut rivet replacements, you can order various sizes off of Amazon. Probably, I think Harbor Freight themselves carries some few different sizes. So they're readily available to restock your supply whenever you run out. Now obviously this is the first I used it, so I can't speak to how well this is going to hold up. But I think if you're looking for a rivet nut gun on a budget, then this Doyle from Harbor Freight should definitely suit your needs. And like I said a couple times now, the small compact design makes it easy to get in and work on your buggy. So as of right now, I give her the thumbs up. It meets my approval. And as I continue to use this, we'll check back in and see any complications we have with it or any changes to my quick review here. If you own one of these old Doyle rivet nut installers and have been using it for a while, let me know your thoughts on it and how well it's held up for you in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this quick little demonstration and short review on the Doyle rivet nut gun. And until next time, God bless and keep on riding. Nut rivet. Nut rivet gun. Nut rivet gun. Nut rivet guns. Nut rivet gun. Nut rivet. Nut rivet tool. Nut rivet. Nut rivets. Cause I nut rivets. With your nut rivet, you drill nut rivet. Your nut rivet. Nut rivet gun works very well.